Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh, hello. Anyway, today's video, well, I'm doing a mukbang. IHop, because it is the season. They got my all-time favorite pumpkin pancakes. I fucking love it. I got me like 4 drinks, and then I got me this spicy burger thing. Originally, I ordered this in advance, like when I'm making meal. And I'm kind of tired because I stayed up late as fuck binge watching You late season, and I was like, oh my god, I think I'm on episode 4. Like I'm literally gonna be done. I literally started my Netflix account last night, so I can binge watch You, late season of You, so I can also get caught up in Riverdale for the new season, and also start rewatching Scream series. Anyway, did they give me a fucking straw? Yeah, they did. I was like, did they give me a straw? Yeah. Oh, and these are my. Let me just show you guys. Those are my drinks. I had a camera a little. Well, let me position it better. Oh my god, I'm crushing fucking pancakes onto the ground. Oh my god, I'm fucking wanting to position. Okay, anyway. I love pumpkin pancakes. Well, after that, come on. I'm so tired, y'all. I can't let her say that. Oh my god. Okay, let me try this burger. Well, yeah, first, they gave me. What did they give me? Mmm. Mmm. Oh god. I love pumpkin. Mmm. Mmm. Mm. You guys, comment below. Have you binge watched the latest season of You? Mm. Like, I'm not even kidding y'all. Like, I'm being 100. That show is literally, well, that show in, I think it's called Teeth Bite, or Night Teeth. That's one of the reasons why I started my Netflix account. Okay. Here is my, what's it called? Jalapeno steak. This is what it looks like, the jalapeno steak burger. It smells so good. And of course, my fries are cold, not fresh. Probably because of how late that place is fucking in order. Um, excuse me. And it's got jalapenos on it. Oh my god. Mmm. 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 Y'all, I've been cutting back on, well, I've cut back on beef, where I don't be eating beef as much during the week. Because when I went to the doctor last, um, the doctor, my blood work came back and my cholesterol was like high as hell. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Because of that, I've been like not eating beef as much. It's just like this is the first time this week I've even had beef. Mm. 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 Damn, burger is delicious. Mm. 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 Yeah, I'm gonna eat the pumpkin pancakes as dessert. Excuse me. Oh, ew. Ew. I took the whole tomato out. Damn. Which I really don't like tomatoes. Ew. Unless they're fried. Mmm. There's bacon. Well, so one of my favorite YouTubers recently became vegan. And that shocked me because Trisha loves chicken nuggets. Well, not just that. Like, I don't see Trisha, like, doing it that long. Mm. 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 Well, mm. Mm. Oh yeah, we got. But maybe she'll prove me wrong. Damn, these pancakes are so good. Mm. Did they at least give me butter? So. Of course they didn't give me butter. What the hell, IHOP? Mm. Okay, this is the end of the. Mm. I also bought. Well, okay. I also bought. Excuse me, the two second and third books of You in the Book series, so I can reread them. Hmm. There'll be a video coming. My review. Both the books, comparison between the books and the TV series. Mm. Mm. Love you guys, and peace. Have a good day, or not when I'm seeing this video, and peace. Mm.